In the world of cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is looking pretty solid, to be fair. Currently sitting at $26,000. Bitcoin has had a bit of a drop over the last 24 hours, but we are still looking pretty consolidative at this 26k window right here for Bitcoin. So lots of ranges from 27.5 to sort of 25k dollars at the moment. We're probably going to have a big move sometime soon. Hopefully, just hopefully, October will be the very famous Uptober, where things are looking good again after Rectember. So hopefully we're going to see nice green numbers in October. So crypto traders shift focus to 4 altcoins as Bitcoin price flatlines. Bitcoin's tight range trading points to a potential range expansion that could trigger a trending move in Link, Maker, Arbitrum, and Theta. So Bitcoin is still just consolidating, and expert traders out there do have their eyes on coins like Chainlink at the moment, which surged above the downtrend trend line on September. I'm very bullish on Chainlink, guys. I want to show you a very quick chart right here. I can see Chainlink is trading in a macro horizontal channel, and I do think one day it's going to blast through the $8 region all the way up to some crazy figure like $50. And it's just written in the data. It goes green, red, orange, green, red, orange, green, red, orange. We're waiting for another green phase. So this sort of stuff just, it just blows my mind, because I honestly think that this data will follow through in the future. Going back to this chart, other coins are looking pretty hot at the moment, guys, in the crypto markets. I've got Maker as well. Maker turned down from the overhead resistance at $1,370 on September 21, indicating that the bears are trying to defend that level. So we could see maybe, we're getting a rejection, but if we can have another retest of that 1.27k level, the bulls could break through and make something quite exciting happen. Another coin is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is in a downtrend because most things are in September. The bears are selling on rallies to the 20-day EMA, but a positive sign is that the bulls have not ceded much ground. So we could actually get a bit of a bullish reversal whilst the bulls are holding this lower position at around $0.81. So there's some interesting sort of crypto things going on. What else? Bybit, guys. They're suspending services to the United Kingdom. Dear oh dear, another bit of red tape wrapped around the United Kingdom blockchain sphere. So this is of course not too good for people like, I've used Bybit in the past, and I do quite like the exchange. It's not really providing much value for us, guys. So unless you're outside of the UK, Bybit probably would suggest moving your assets off of Bybit now if you are in the UK. I've got an MEXC referral link down below, by the way. So sign up to MEXC, no KYC, global exchange. It's really, really good. So check that one out. Cryptocurrency as a whole. Pepe is trending a little bit. SolarX, we've got Bitcoin as well, with a little bit of a trend. But overall, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, Toncoin, they're the top 10 daddies right now. They are the coins that are still stealing the show. Last 24 hours, we're seeing quite sort of tight markets, not huge volatility at the moment. But I think that is waiting for us, hopefully around October. So what is going on with the rich people right now in the crypto world? We can have a little look at the last sort of week. What has happened? Well, the last 2 weeks, I'd say. The last 2 weeks, the amount of addresses holding X amount of Bitcoin. So we can see here on the left-hand side, there were 14 days ago, 861,353 addresses holding 1 to 10 Bitcoin. Today, that number has gone up by 3,000. So we're seeing a lot of accumulation here at these lower ranges. For the 10 to 100, 1,000 Bitcoin wallet, 10 to 100 Bitcoin wallet, 141k Bitcoin. Now we've seen 200 more of those wallets. So we're seeing accumulation, we're getting more whole coiners, which overall is good. So we're identifying this sweet spot in the market where people are accumulating right now. Fear and greed, 47 for crypto at the moment. So yeah, there's always going to be fear and greed in the markets. You cannot remove that. Every day we make decisions based off of fear and greed without even realizing. What else is going on in the crazy markets? Wall Street memes, 5 hours to go until this pre-sale is done and dusted, guys. Absolutely crazy. We've talked about this for a very long time. It's going to get listed on an exchange in 21 hours. That is tomorrow. So if you want to check out this pre-sale, there's probably only like 1 or 2 hours left to buy it. There is a link down below. You can check it out, of course. Fingers crossed we're going to see something juicy happen here. 280k followers now. They're getting a lot of FOMO. Wall Street memes, important announcement. Tier 1 listing being brought forward by 1 one day. So 1 day closer now. It's the 26th, not the 27th, so bear that in mind. Tamadoge, we looked at last year, just a few exchanges that it did list on. MEXC, BitGet, Bybit, Gate.io, OKX. Consider those ones maybe probable for the Wall Street memes deployment. Yeah, looking good. I'll make more videos following up on the launch of Wall Street memes, how to deposit, how to transfer your tokens and all that stuff, and what's going to happen with the price, because I'm also very, very curious. Russian nuclear scientists arrested for Bitcoin mining plot. This is something that really would only happen in Russia, isn't it? I mean, there's no other country where you can imagine something so crazy. Bitcoin bombs. Imagine that. I mean, it's obviously not going to be that, but what is going on? I mean, I feel like Russia just gets away with a lot of cool stuff. I mean, evil stuff, not cool stuff. Yeah, but it's just like, it feels like another planet, right? So Russian security officers have arrested several scientists working at a top secret Russian nuclear warhead facility for allegedly mining cryptocurrencies. Oh no. The suspects had tried to use one of Russia's most powerful supercomputers to mine Bitcoins, media says. They must have got loads and loads of Bitcoin if they're using some crazy technology. So yeah, didn't expect that one at all. COINBASE holds 5% of all Bitcoin in existence, data suggests. Coinbase currently holds 25 billion in Bitcoin, guys. The exchange only owns around 200 million of Bitcoin in its wallets only. Lol, $200 million worth. So a lot of it, I guess, is in sort of cold storage, offline. But imagine that, guys. One of these days, Coinbase could just rug the whole crypto environment, you know, make all their employees rich, all their friends, all their family. It could really happen. Blockchain intelligence platform Arkham recently identified that crypto exchange Coinbase holds almost 1 million Bitcoin. That is ridiculous. 1 million Bitcoin. That's almost alarming. This makes Coinbase the largest Bitcoin entity in the world on Arkham, with almost 5% of all its Bitcoin in existence, about as much as Satoshi Nakamoto. Wow. That is kind of crazy news. Now, we are entering the end of September. What can we prepare for? Q2 has been a bit sour. Q3, very, very sour, minus 14%. Now, we usually see Q4 generate some positive ROI here in the world of crypto. So prepare for that. Get yourselves ready. Get yourself back in the market. Start researching. Start, you know, doing your own due diligence and stuff. We can see September is always, always, always red. Look that way, not that way, that way, there, right there. September, always red, guys. So this is not something to be worried about. This is normal in the markets. October flips green usually. So come on, please, crypto, someone out there, give us some juicy crypto, you know, momentum. We want to see something good happen here in the world of cryptocurrency. Furthermore, what is going on? North Korea, Lazarus Group amasses over $40 million in Bitcoin, data reveals. So the North Korean hacking collective has at least 47 million in cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ether, BNB. And that reminds me, guys, that really reminds me. You have to get yourselves these things. These are ledgers. Ledgers are super important to protect you. They allow you to store your crypto offline and effectively, you know, nullify all hacking possibility. And they're really good also to connect to your MetaMask wallet, so you have to use your physical ledger to actually authorize a transaction. I'm really big into these now. Shout out to my friend who actually sent me these, Roland, top guy. Love you very much. I'm going to donate one to my other friend. But yeah, this is worrying. So keep yourself protected. I just want to get that message out there to consistently remind yourself that crypto is a very dangerous environment if you are sloppy in this space. Before we leave, just want to say thanks to all the new patrons. 458 members at the moment. If you guys want to unlock trading signals and more, you know, stuff like this in our Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, which is linked down below, which you should click on right now and join. You can become a patron, which is also linked down below. Support the movement, support us guys, become a crypto legend or a champion or a warrior. We've tailored the prices so they're accessible for everyone across the world in terms of budget, and you will unlock a bunch of trading signals and many, many more benefits. Hopefully turning you into a crypto shrimp, into a crypto whale. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Sub, like, comment, hit that notification bell, and do all those YouTubey things. See you soon.